Parbangon no agriing apa nagugot iti kamote mangisaang sa agiway-way itinwangin. Nagaget ni Uncle Berting nagkaripato iti dingwin pagulida na nasken atulade. Awang kanyan at banong inaldong lata asumalog uray maka sinit pa'y itipudot. Nakarat kadlata uray adasag ko panit na agpastor tinwang ti panakay nananan. Kasta ni Uncle Berting sala sumangbeto ti malemen tati kayat na rumang ay panagbiyagen. Nunal pas tinaraipin agbirok man ti panggidanen ala tiruta dandaning panagaapiten. Ngem apay tanaliday taabagam nalpay idi na amuam iti presyo iti pagay ni Uncle Berting di pa'y umisem napanpay ketin nakiinumen ngem kuna na sumulit ang no next karapin. Sumaran no apa nagtatalon raepen si kaget ngimato doble pa iti presyo ti abono. Awang pa'y ketinda nom regasyon di gasolina iti padanom ni Uncle Berting nang isaldat talon. Di nasan masakan tadi makelin iti pamilyan tatay baro nang agpaspasakit ng asawan. Nagragsak ti pakasan na balse dito'y balse ditang yem nalakunan tay may sanga ektaryan. Kasta ni Uncle Berting sala sumangbeto ti malemen anyan arigat di metlarumang ayen. Aga na po ko ni Uncle Berting isupayan ang pagpagatasin ala ti rumadlauen na lumakayen. At damay sa amalem nakitak ni Uncle Berting nakatugaw agkap kape nakamuleng-leng. Awanin iti matanon inaamin ita nalakon awang payket kenkwa anat mangkaripaton. Parbangon nun nagriingen napanagugot iti kamoten idi sumangpit sing malubukag ni Uncle Berting. Dagiti anak na agrama na pukuna nagraranada na panbinisitan. Dakkel nagbaliwan dagiti anak na itik hinagaget imaladaken kwanan. Adanin inyero doktor ken abogada ni Uncle Berting anyang atat uburanan. Kasta ni Uncle Berting sala sumangbeto ti malemen pindaen at anak na apasyare. Ngalakunan ti dagdaganan tapi nagpaadalnan ngem itan mansyon iti balaynan. Sikangay karuba amum ka bisuna ni Uncle Berting tatangtay isunan. Arami din nati amin kadatay nga anak na agsupalitay kumameken kwa agsupalitay kumameken kwa na. So once again, da kami po team Mr. and Mrs. Torda Duo Sweet Blend. Tapos makitayin ko po di kadwami damdaman ni Sir Narvi Dasalia. And Sir Bugoy Aquino po. Mabalin nyo lang ang patag-request. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away from the city. But don't, oh no, hesitate. 'Cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, ooh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day. Oh, oh, oh. The moon appears to shine and light the skies with the air of some fireflies. I wonder how they have the power to shine, shine, shine. I can see them under the pine. But don't, oh no, hesitate. La di da 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 la, just walk away. Oh, ooh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day, every day. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day. By the rivers of Babylon, though we sat down everywhere. While you remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, though we sat down everywhere. While you remember Zion, what the wicked carrying us away from captivity required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in our strange land? What the wicked carried us away from captivity required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in our strange land? By the rivers of Babylon, though we sat down everywhere. When you remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, though we sat down everywhere. When you remember Zion.
certain kind of light that never shone on me. How I want my life to be, to live with you, live with you. There's a way. Everybody say to do each and every little thing, but what does it bring if we ain't got you, ain't got you? Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. In my brain, I say your face again. I know my brain, my mind. You ain't got to be so blind, and I'm blind, very blind. I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you. But what good does it do if we ain't got you? If we ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Another reggae song.
I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. In the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I say you just a little bit longer, if I say it, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadows hide the color of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the night, with the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I say you're just a little bit longer, I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Once again on keyboard, Mr. Torda. About it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart, my heart. Oh, my heart.
Ano man ang sabihin nila, ika'y patuloy kong mamahalin. Maging pianista ka man, di na magbabago ang pag-ibig ko. Dahil minamahal kita, walang makakapigil sa aking damdamin. Upang ikaw ay ibigin ko ng lubos, sasambahin lagi dahil mahal kita. Lahat ng bagay ay aking matatanggap. At dahil mahal kita at malaon at padaya, kahit katumbas nito'y kasawian. Dahil mahal kita at malaon at padaya, at di na muling iibig pa. At dahil mahal kita, ang akong magparaya. Kahit katumbas nito'y kasawian. Dahil mahal kita, sa'yo lamang liligaya. At di na muling iibig pa.
Another reggae. Ikaw pala'y salawasaw, bakit ako ay pinaasa? Inibig pa kita ng lubusan, at ako ay iyong iniwan. Nilimot mo na ang sumpaan, pati ang tamis ng suyuan. Dinulot mo ay kasawian sa aking pusong nagmamahal. Darating din ang araw na iyong madarating. ito'y dapat kailan pa man. Ikaw'y pala'y sa lawasaw. Bakit ako ay pinaasa? Inibig ba kita ng lubusan? At ako ay iyong iniwan. Once again on keyboard, Mr. Toda. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, sinta, dapat sa'yo kailan pa man. Ikaw pala'y sa lawahan. Bakit ako ay pinaasa? Hinibig pa kita ng lubusan. At ako ay iyong iniwan.
Yan, sasakbay tayo po nga rugyan tayo programa tayo. Awagak man ni Sir Ray Valdez, tayo na po ti Mangida Ulo, ti Lualo Apo. Ay ni ako kano gayam apo ni Ma'am Rose Lee Hilar.
Tumakder ta amin kakabsat. Itinagan ti Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ama, mingan ay langitan, madaydayaw ka. Agyaman kami abo, ti dayto yung aldaw, ngayon pay mo, nga panang celebrar ti kabsat mingan ni Arnel, iti may ka-50th na birthday na. Dawaten mi kan kaapo, ti panang tarabay mo, ken kuana. Kan agraman ti pamilya na. Yan ta nga yung apo, no kasaknot, ti kinalaing nang tumulong, ti pada ng tao. Dawaten mi kan ka, ta iburay mo kadipay, tad ado nga bendisyon, tapnot ado metlaing, ti matulungan na. Tarabay na kami apo ti dayto nga rabi, ket dawaten mi kan ka, ta ipaayam ka dipay apo ti nawadwad, ken nasalunat nga tawen, ti panagbiag na. Dayto apo ti dawaten mi, tinagan ni Kristo nga anak mo kay tapumi. Amen. Itinagan ti Ama, Anak, ken Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Yan, once again, happy birthday po, Sir Arnel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ala, kanta tayo amin na po. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Nag-fix. Permit fix sana. Yan, so ag dinner tayo nga doon apo, muna na apo dagiti first table tayo. So sasabay tayo ka no apo, sardang kami pingagkanta, ta sa tayo ito'y dire-diretso apo ti agraragsak to damdaman. Thank you so much po. Apo. Ay. Abang kam lang mga apo. Kain lang po. Agboy kayo lang damdaman po. Thank you po. Ay, wait. Agre lang ako, shout out na. Yan, so first table ka na apo ta na urnos ko na ni Ma'am Lisa. First table, sumaran ng tumot na apo ti second table. Yan, thank you so much po.
That's it, guys.
Mangan kam lang apo Ma'am Maria de Asuncion, Uncle Lupo Fernandez, Ma'am Jovi Costales Taasin, Ate Jenna Nerol, Sir Ronald Gadong, San Nicolas. Hello sir. Ate Christy, Ma'am Josephine Laureta. Mangan kam lang apuan, tas atay po, agraragsak po. Ate Risa Tugas, thank you so much po. Ato yun ang sarko, ate ko, jogger ni Mr. Torda. Ate Chuchay, Ate Chay Chay. Kaya na po.